Good afternoon, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Just to let you know that a story to tell. I asked my wife to buy a printer, and she bought the printer right here. You see the color? Yeah, okay. You want something done? Do it yourself. Okay, so beside that, let's. Beside that, just wanted to say I got tomorrow. There's gonna be a launch of a new product. Just want to give you a heads up. It's called hold on, 10x. Let me see. 10x ProfitSites. Basically, it's a software, a cloud software that lets you build affiliate sites automatically in the cloud. Affiliate review sites. If you're promoting some products from ClickBank, that will help you a lot. So that's from what the product is saying. I think he's just promoting stuff from ClickBank. He might add stuff maybe in the upsells. It might give you some products, review sites from products from Warrior Form. Warrior Plus, but for the time being, I think he's just selling. It's Glenn Kosky, and it's a product by Glenn Kosky, and I think he's just focusing on ClickBank for now. So review sites from ClickBank, and that's it. So I'll see you tomorrow. Don't miss it, and I'm gonna launch it tomorrow with the review with the bonus page. I'm adding some amazing bonuses. Don't miss it. Just make sure you launch it. I'm gonna launch it tomorrow around 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's it for now. Then just again, you want something done, do it yourself. Don't let the wife buy a printer for you. She's gonna get this color or maybe pink. Anyway, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Be good, be awesome, be the best version of your life today and every other day. Peace.